video, I'll guide you through how to link Zoom to your Dubsado account. If you regularly schedule virtual meetings with clients, connecting Zoom to Dubsado can save you time by automatically using Zoom as your video conferencing provider. Once the integration is set up, your Zoom meeting links can be included with your scheduled appointments, making it much easier to manage online sessions. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Before you can connect Zoom, it's important to know that you must already have a calendar connected to your Dubsado account. Without a connected calendar, the video conferencing options won't be available. Once you've confirmed that your calendar is connected, open the Settings menu from your Dubsado dashboard. Inside the Settings menu, click on Third-Party Integrations. This is where you'll find the available services that can be connected to your Dubsado account. If you don't already have a calendar linked, you'll need to connect one before moving forward. After your calendar has been successfully connected, return to the Third-Party Integrations section. You'll now see the option to continue setting up your conferencing provider. Next, click Connect a Provider. A new browser tab will open, displaying the available video conferencing services that you can link with Dubsado. From the list of providers, choose Zoom. After selecting Zoom, you'll be guided through Zoom's authorization process. Sign in with the Zoom account you want to use, then review the requested permissions and approve the connection if you're comfortable with them. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to Dubsado. The integration should now be connected, allowing Zoom to be used as your conferencing provider for future appointments. If necessary, refresh the page so the new connection appears in your account. From this point forward, your Dubsado scheduling setup can use Zoom for virtual meetings, helping streamline your booking process and reducing the need to manually create meeting links for every appointment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully linked Zoom to your Dubsado account. You can always return to the same integration settings if you ever need to reconnect the service or make changes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.